Hey everyone! Today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about all-in-one computers. If you're a student juggling assignments, online classes, and maybe a little gaming on the side, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is an all-in-one computer? Well, it's pretty much what it sounds like. Imagine a desktop computer where all the components, the CPU, graphics card, and drives, are built into the monitor itself. Yep, no more bulky towers taking up space on your desk. One of the biggest perks of an all-in-one is the space-saving design. As a student, you probably don't have tons of space to work with, whether you're in a dorm, a small apartment, or even just a cozy corner of your room. With an all-in-one, you get a clean, minimalistic setup that looks great and keeps your workspace clutter-free. All right, let's talk about performance. Modern all-in-one computers pack a serious punch. They're equipped with multi-core processors, plenty of RAM, and solid-state drives that make multitasking a breeze. Whether you're running demanding software like Adobe Creative Cloud, coding, or just browsing with 100 tabs open, you're covered. Now, connectivity is key. Most all-in-one PCs come with a good range of ports, USB, HDMI, and sometimes even Thunderbolt. This means you can easily hook up your peripherals, extra monitors, or external drives without any hassle. Plus, many models include built-in webcams and high-quality microphones, perfect for those endless Zoom calls and online classes. Let's not forget about the display. All-in-one computers often boast impressive screens with high resolutions and vibrant colors. This makes them awesome for watching videos, editing photos, or just enjoying some Netflix downtime. But hey, what about upgrades? This is where things can get a bit tricky. Unlike traditional desktops, all-in-ones aren't as easy to upgrade. So you'll want to choose a model with specs that will last you through your years of study. Look for at least 16 GB of RAM and a solid-state drive of 512 GB or more. A quick tip: check out brands like Apple, HP, and Dell. They offer some of the best all-in-one computers on the market right now, tailored for performance and style. So to wrap it up, all-in-one computers offer a sleek, powerful, and space-saving solution for students. They're perfect for multitasking, connecting with your peers, and maybe even a bit of gaming on the side. If you're looking to upgrade your setup, an all-in-one might just be the way to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and reviews.